Hi, my name is Sudhir Yadav. I'm Associate Professor for Sustainable Agriculture at University of Queensland, Queensland Alliance for Agriculture and Food Innovation. Well, QAAFI is a global leader and a research provider for tropical and subtropical agriculture and food system. At QAAFI, researchers have a very good understanding of the balance that we need to make in terms of improving the productivity and efficiency, protecting and preserving the natural resources and the ecosystem, as well as mitigating and adapting the climate change. At the same time, they understand that we need to maintain the access to high-value market. My ambition is that I want to create or foster a multidisciplinary environment so that we can leverage that cutting-edge research and technologies to assess and enhance sustainability in agriculture system. Australia has a market-driven agriculture sector, which means that we want to really make sure that we maintain our access to high-value market. And for that, we need to really make sure that we make our own sustainability credentials rather than somebody else impose those standards on us. And often those standards are developed in a different context of a country or a market. And we want to basically lead our market, our product with the agro-environment that we have in Australia. One of our key priorities is setting those rules of the game by developing standards and toolkit for different stakeholders. And these frameworks need to be covered from production system to consumer. Once we have these toolkit or standards, we can take the next step, and that is identifying hotspot in agriculture sector and pinpointing those areas where we can improve the sustainability. And the third area, which is very, very critical, and people often ask, who's gonna pay for sustainability? So we need to create the business model, work with an industry partner in terms of looking at that how sustainability can be built across the various segments of value chain, and there is an incentive involved both for growers as well as for industry partners to join hands in this sustainability research and work. At QAAFI, we have started our work on sustainability domain. My lab, which we call Agri-Sustain Lab, follow broadly two approach. One is life cycle assessment, which basically look at various segments of a system, whether it is a technology, whether it's an ingredient, whether it is a process, whether it is an entire system. And we look at various alternate options in terms of both how we can build a product using alternate ingredient, but also looking at various sources of energy, and that help us again to pinpoint how we can improve the pipeline. The second part of the lab is reviewing various sustainability framework. Different industries, different sector has different framework. We have a framework of horticulture sustainability framework, beef sustainability framework, grain sector sustainability framework. So how we can develop again a simple normative document that can be helpful for growers. So that's a direction that also my lab is working on.